look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
This is Joy, coming to you live in Riley's mind. Make some noise! Sadness is in the house! It's anger!
Let me at him! We gotta get our mouth guard, people!
Fear! No, that's not ours! Disgust. Glad to have her on our team. Who made the console orange?
Do I look orange?
I didn't touch it.
Orange is not my color.
Not me.
Hello, everybody. Oh, I'm anxiety. Where can I put my stuff?
A new emotion!
Oh, I'm sorry. We wanted to make such a good first impression.
What do you mean, we?
I'm Envy. Look at your hair.
Oh, yeah, not happening.
That's on we.
On what?
It's what you would call the boredom.
What's your name, big fella?
That's embarrassment.
Welcome to headquarters, embarrassment.
Squishy Cutting Challenge, Inside Out Edition.
I will cut one of these squishes at 500 likes.
I will cut one of these squishies at 1,000 likes.
I will cut the squishy at 10,000 likes.
Comment which ones you would like to see cut.